Back here closer to home, though,
Yeah.
we've had some rain today. Is that in the forecast tomorrow, too?
Yeah, it's going to be a pretty wet end to the weekend and really start to the week, but changes on the way for the end of the week. Here's a live look in Summerton right now where things are starting to dry out, but it's still pretty gray out there. We have a few light showers lingering in West Alabama. The brunt of the wet weather, though, has moved east into Georgia and into our easternmost counties, where we still have a few heavy downpours right near Heflin, as well as just east of Weaver, north of Gadsden, really along I-59 and I-20 is where the wettest spots are this evening. These showers aren't moving a whole lot. They're basically raining themselves out, and that'll be it for the remainder of the evening. So if you look at the last 24 hours, a lot of spots saw rain, but we still had a good bit east of 65 that didn't see any rain at all. In West Alabama, we had close to 5 inches in Lamar County, right around 1 inch in Birmingham. That fell very quickly, though. That's why we saw flooding for some spots, so around 2 inches for some. Much needed rainfall. If you didn't see it today, we'll get another good shot of seeing storms tomorrow. Right now we're in the low to mid 70s, even some upper 70s in Alabaster as well as Clanton right now, sitting at 77, 73 right now in Fayette. So we'll bottom out mainly in the low 70s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Can't rule out an isolated shower in East Alabama, but most of us will wake up to a dry start to the day. It'll be pretty cloudy throughout the day, and we'll see isolated storms before midday, but then widespread showers and thunderstorms once again tomorrow afternoon. Everything's mainly starting from the southwest and lifting up to the northeast. So we'll see progressively increasing showers throughout the evening tomorrow, and that's going to continue throughout the day on Monday as well. So a pretty soggy start to the week, but things will gradually start to improve later in the week. We have a lot to talk about in the tropics right now. We have this area of low pressure right off the coast of Texas and Louisiana. This is mainly just going to be a rainmaker there, likely not going to develop into much. But off the coast of Florida, this system has about a 70% chance of developing over the next 48 hours. This could possibly become our next tropical depression, something to watch, but it does look like it'll stay off to sea and not impact us here on the mainland. But what could potentially impact us really in the long term, not anytime soon, is Tropical Storm Dorian right now. Right now about between 700 and 600 miles from the Caribbean islands, the Lesser Antilles. It'll track towards the Lesser Antilles by around Tuesday, where it could become a Category 1 hurricane, tracking towards Puerto Rico and then the Dominican by around Wednesday and Thursday. From there, a lot of uncertainty. Obviously, 5 days out, we'll have to be watching this closely as it tracks towards the Dominican Republic by around Thursday. From there, could it potentially get into the Gulf? That's possible, but something we'll just have to watch throughout the week. So temperatures will be right around the mid 80s to start out the work week just because of the widespread showers and thunderstorms. Notice a slight cool down and a drier end to the week than what we'll start out with widespread storms drying